Today we are just going to discuss about a three pillar of marketing. बहुत ज़्यादा important topic है. This is the basic understanding about the digital marketing. You need to know it. Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. Welcome to this channel where I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks how I grow my business through digital marketing. Today we are just going to discuss about a three pillar of marketing. बहुत ज़्यादा important topic है. This is the basic understanding about the digital marketing. You need to know it. There is a three pillar of digital marketing. अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ इस pillars बारे समझ आ जाती है, then it's very easy for you to do the digital marketing. So let's jump onto the screen and see what that three pillar is and how they all are working. If you're on the screen, if you just can see this whiteboard, I'm just going to share with my whiteboard. This is very important board for me. There's a three pillar of marketing, right? The first pillar ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਾਡਾ, that pillar we called as an awareness pillar. Awareness pillar. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਵਾਂ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਓਪਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, then the awareness is must. So ਪਹਿਲੇ pillar ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਹ डिस्कस करते हैं how we can aware about our business. अगर तुसी if you will be see normally तुसी देखते होंगे whenever someone open their new shop, they have to advertise their shop, right? They have to advertise, उन्होंने दसना पैंदा जा के we are open, that we have that kind of products, right? Even in the digital marketing, whenever you open your new website, nobody knows about you. You have to aware about yourself. You have to spread the awareness that you exist in the market, right? This is the important thing. In ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ three pillars ਨੇ, इना बारे में detailed discussion दूंगा in another video. You will be getting. Just don't forget to subscribe this channel where I'm just going to show you all my tips and tricks, right? The first pillar we have awareness. जिथे ਅਸੀਂ अपनी business ਦੀ aware अपनी business ਦੀ awareness ਵਧਾਉਂਦੇ हैं, right? Whenever you launch your new website, nobody knows you. You have to bring the traffic on your website, on your shop. You can say that website is your shop, right? So ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ awareness ਦਾ pillar ਹੈ. The second pillar we have, sorry, just for this lines, consideration. Considerations ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ basically? Where someone consider you. For example, when you spread awareness about your business, there is a few people who come on your website who are really interested in your product. So basically they are going to consider yourself, right? Consider your business. So we have the second pillar is consideration, where they are considered, where they are taking some good decision, we are taking some interest in your product, and वो थोड़ी websites पे आके थोड़ी website ਨੂੰ browse करते हैं and they are looking for your product. And the third pillar we have here, sorry about that. Third we have conversion, where the guys actually give you money. Basically guys, ਅਸੀਂ Facebook marketing या digital marketing ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ three aspects ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ 100 people heard about you, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਤੇ 100 people will come on your website and ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ all of them 100 out of 100 will buy your product. It never be happened, right? So basically about the Facebook recommendation, 2% conversion will be there. 2 to 3% means अगर 100 people heard about you, उन्होंने 100 बंदियां ने ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੁਣਿਆ, then 10 will be come on your website, right? Then from 10 out of 10, 2 or 3 will be buy your product. अगर मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ normal language ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂ, whenever someone open their shop, उन्होंने एक product बारे awareness की थी, then some people jump on their shop right? ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ product ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਨਹੀਂ, some of them just interest in their product, they have look on it, and from them 2 or 3 people will buy the product, and we called and then conversion, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ output ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, means ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ money ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. So where you get the money, this is your conversion. So basically we have 3 pillar of conversion: awareness, consideration and conversion. Now in the next video मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ detail ਚ ਦੱਸਾਂਗਾ about the awareness, what sort of objectives, what sort of campaigns you can run it. In consideration, what sort of program you campaigns you can run it, and in conversions, what sort of campaigns and what sort of objectives you can run it. So I hope this is the very great lesson for every beginner to understand about the 3 pillar of marketing. इस चीज ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਕਿ there is a 3 pillar of marketing we have to know. If you like the video, just don't forget to subscribe the button and don't forget to comment below. ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸਿਓ how you feel and how you feel like that, how this video is. I will be very thankful to you. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.